Electrical engineering graduates have a wide range of career opportunities available to them in various industries. Here are some potential career paths and opportunities for electrical engineering graduates. Power and energy industry, power generation, design and maintain power plants, renewable energy systems, and electrical distribution networks. Power transmission and distribution, work on the design, operation, and maintenance of high-voltage transmission lines and distribution systems. Smart grids, contribute to the development of intelligent electrical grids that incorporate advanced technologies for efficient energy distribution. Electronics and communication, electronics design, design and develop electronic devices, components, and circuits for various applications, including consumer electronics, medical devices, and telecommunications. Telecommunications, work on the design and optimization of communication networks, wireless systems, and satellite communications. Control systems and automation, control systems engineer, design and implement control systems for industrial processes, robotics, automation, and manufacturing systems. Industrial automation, develop automated systems for industries like manufacturing, automotive, and aerospace to enhance productivity and efficiency. Renewable energy and sustainability, solar and wind energy, design, develop, and maintain solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy systems. Energy storage, contribute to the design and implementation of energy storage solutions like batteries and capacitors. Embedded systems and IoT, embedded systems engineer, develop embedded systems for various applications, including consumer electronics, automotive, healthcare, and smart appliances. Internet of Things, IoT, work on connecting devices and systems to the Internet, enabling data collection, analysis, and automation. Research and development, academia, pursue a career in teaching and research at universities or research institutions. Corporate R&D, contribute to the innovation and development of new technologies, products, and solutions within private companies. Remember that the specific opportunities available to you will depend on factors such as your specialization, skills, interests, and the industry trends at the time of your graduation. It's important to stay updated on technological advancements and industry developments to make informed decisions about your career path.